Alright, hello everyone, good morning, and welcome back to another episode of Planting Peppers, Jamaican Farming. Today we'll be moving forward to some of our later crops. These are some of our 3-month crops, which as you can see that these crops have already produced multiple peppers as well as larger limbs, smaller limbs, and even small blossoms as well. As we move forward, as you see, there's no need to mold, but we still clean our beds, as I said, because we try to lower insect spreads. So if you look beneath our peppers, you can see that it's already fluffy. There's no need to mold. The soil is already bedded, but we still intend to clean our sticks, our leaves, or anything that insect could hide beneath. So what we'll do is we'll remove all sticks, as I said, and all leaves, because we stress about insects. While our peppers are producing, we try not to get insect bites on our peppers. If you look closely, you can see we have one there, that's 2 there with insect bites. So we try to lower insect cases. The ones with insect bites, we normally let them ripe and then we'll use the seed to produce more crops. The ones that are in better standard, we'll put those to the market. Yes, so we still try to clean. As you see, our bed, we might have some small sticks. You can see some small blossoms there as well, which didn't produce, so probably didn't have much strength to stay. As we said, we don't use any fertilizer, so we don't use any blossom enhancers as well. So we'll try to plant as much peppers as possible so we could get fully grown trees and a large production. And as we move on, as I said, you can see that our peppers, they are fresh, they are green, they are large, and we still didn't use any fertilizers, but as I said, we try to mold our peppers very regularly, so we'll still maintain fresh peppers, we'll still get a larger crop, we'll still have them bearing in 3 months and beyond. So we stress on molding our crops from nursery. 4 months, 6 weeks, we still try to mold them for them to stay green and fresh. Yes, so as you see, these are 3-month peppers, but they have already sprouted multiple limbs. They have multiple peppers, small limbs, and still producing smaller blossoms as well. If you still look closely, you can see where we may lose some blossom as well, but which we will still produce crops. You'll see our 3-month crops, they are looking very lovely. They're still producing a lot of blossom, still bearing good quality fruit. So we intend to let them perform for probably 4 months to see how many insects damage we have had or how quick the peppers are ripened. Yes. So we do regular checks once our peppers are reached their 3-month and their bearing stage, so we don't get a lot of insect spreads and we can have nice quality peppers to go to the market. Yes. So our peppers, they're looking fresh, green, the chlorophylls is very nice. Yes. So thanks for watching, and please do remember to like, share, and subscribe to our videos at Planting Peppers, Jamaican Farming. Goodbye.